Hey guys, David Johnston here. This is day 34 of PegNet, DeFi, and crypto talks that I've been giving. And I'm extremely excited to say we now have an activation height for PegNet 2.0. So the developers and the community have decided that at block 255,778, the features of PegNet will go live. So this is really awesome. This gives us staking. This gives us all the Oracle improvements that we've been looking forward to. And it's expected that the blockchain will reach this height on July 29th, 2020 at about 1640 UTC time. So for those not familiar with how block heights work, effectively this is how many blocks have happened since the first ever block in the blockchain. So in the case of PegNet, of course, it's built on Factom. And so you're looking at how many blocks have happened since September 1st, 2015, when Factom launched. So that's called the Genesis block, and you can count up from there. And there have been 255,000 or so blocks since then. And so you can just look at 144 blocks per day, add that up based on how far in the future you want a feature to activate. So, effectively the next step is really just test. All the coding is done, and now it's being merged together. The developers are checking for errors, and they want as many people as possible to poke at the code, to run it. It's expected that next Monday, there'll be the first binaries available for people to install and get access to PegNet 2.0. So this is effectively when the miners, the exchanges, anybody running a full PegNet node will need to update their software. And remember, this is a hard fork, which is a must update. Like everybody has to update. Now, if you're part of a pool, you don't have to update, don't have to do anything. If you're using a PegNet wallet, shouldn't have to take any action. But the wallet operators, the pool operators of the mining pools, the exchanges, anybody running a full node has to upgrade in order to get access to the staking and for the software to all work together. So this is why it's important to get the word out that now there's an activation height. The binaries will be available very soon. And the goal is just spend this next few weeks testing as much as possible to make sure that everything's going to work according to plan. So just huge thank you and shout out to the developers that put so much work into getting all these new features coded up. It's been a pretty amazing process just to work with the community and go through these different iterations of, what are the trade-offs, what are the features that we really want to see, what's realistic to code, what avoids too much complexity. I think it's been a really, really healthy process, and it's been cool to observe that, record it into articles, and then try to get the word out to the community about sort of how it's coming together. So just about at that finish line. I'll probably do another video expecting when the binaries are available, sort of giving people details about how to install them. But in the meantime, I'll put links to the GitHub repo in the description. So if anyone is of the technical persuasion, welcome you to check out the GitHub to poke around at the code. You'll find all of the new pull requests are going into a staging branch. And from there, it'll get upgraded to the master branch of the GitHub repo. So anyway, really excited to share this news with you guys. Wanted to get it out there, just do a quick video real fast and pass along the news. So July 29th, 2020, at around 1640 UTC, we're going to see PegNet 2.0 go live. So, jump in, be part of that process. And let's see how it goes. But it's exciting to see all coming together. So I want to thank you guys again and talk to you soon. Remember, be kind to one another, wear a mask, and crypto on. Take care, guys. Bye.